An animal can make a mistake and move on. A wolf misses a hunt. Tomorrow it hunts again. A bird flies into glass and survives. It doesn't think about it, it flies again. But humans do something no other creature does. We replay our mistakes. We imagine how things could have been different. We torture ourselves with what if. This is called regret. And it might be the most uniquely human suffering that exists. Psychologist Janet Metcalf found that the human brain's ability to feel regret depends on something other animals almost completely lack: a highly developed prefrontal cortex that can simulate alternative outcomes. You can imagine the version of events that didn't happen. You can construct a reality that never existed and then grieve for it. A wolf cannot do this. A chimp cannot do this. Only humans torture themselves with ghosts. Here's where it gets interesting. Regret serves a purpose. It's a learning mechanism. When you feel regret about a mistake, your brain is essentially saying, "Remember this. Don't do it again." Regret is evolution's way of encoding past mistakes into future behavior. It should be useful. But something went wrong. Humans don't just regret mistakes, we regret choices that led to good outcomes. We regret paths not taken. We regret entire lives we never lived. A study by psychologists Shai Davidai and Thomas Gilovich found that people regret inaction far more than action. We regret the risks we didn't take far more than the ones we did. This makes sense evolutionarily. In a small tribe where opportunity was rare, missing your chance to hunt, to mate, to gain status, these were catastrophic losses. Your brain learned to torture you with regret about what you didn't do. But we don't live in small tribes anymore. Opportunity is everywhere. Yet our brains still punish us for every road not taken. The cruelest part of human consciousness is this: you can imagine infinite versions of your life that could have been better. Your brain can construct perfect alternate realities where you made different choices, took different paths, loved different people. And then you have to live in the one reality where you didn't. Some researchers think regret is why humans are the only animals capable of depression. Depression might be what happens when an animal becomes so good at imagining better realities that it stops engaging with the actual one. But here's what's important to understand. Regret is not a character flaw. It's the cost of consciousness, the price of being able to imagine the future. Every animal that can't feel regret also can't plan, can't learn from the distant past, can't build civilization. Your ability to feel regret about roads not taken is the same mechanism that lets you imagine a better future and actually build it. So when you're lying awake at 3 a.m. regretting a choice you made years ago, you're not broken. You're experiencing the exact trait that makes you human.